Is it just a performance or something more? At Central World Bangkok Countdown 2026, Freen and Becky gave us a moment that fans say can no longer be hidden. From holding hands on the stairs to a back hug that stopped time. Tonight, Freen and Becky didn't just perform, they felt real.
Tonight's story is one that has fans across the globe talking, trending, and feeling emotional all at once. As the year came to a close at Central World Bangkok Countdown 2026, one duo once again reminded us why they hold such a special place in so many hearts. Yes, we're talking about Freen Soroka and Becky Armstrong. From their breathtaking stage performance to subtle gestures that spoke louder than words, Freenbecky gave fans a countdown night they will never forget. Let's break it all down calmly, respectfully, and with love. At Central World's Countdown 2026, Freen and Becky delivered a special performance that instantly became one of the most talked about moments of the night. Fans described it as sweet, heart-melting, and emotionally powerful, not because of grand gestures, but because of the comfort and connection they showed on stage. They appeared in elegant white outfits, which many fans compared to something straight out of a dream. Across social media, fans affectionately described them as looking like brides or a wedding scene, though of course, this was shared purely as emotional fan expression. What stood out most was not just how they looked, but how they moved together. Freen and Becky were seen quietly supporting one another. Even while walking on stairs, one steady hand, one calm presence, a moment that fans felt symbolized trust and care. During the performance, there was one particular moment that instantly set social media on fire. A back hug, simple, brief, but deeply impactful. The way Becky leaned back into Freen, and how Freen responded carefully, gently felt incredibly natural. Some fans even said it felt like a moment where they almost forgot they were watching a stage performance. Of course, we want to be very clear. What fans are reacting to is chemistry, comfort, and familiarity, not assumptions. But reactions flooded in anyway. Comments described the moment as too real, too intimate, and impossible to fake. Others jokingly said, "If I didn't know better, I'd think this was a wedding." Moments like these remind us why fans often say, Freenbecky being Freenbecky. Longtime fans noticed something else, something deeper. For a long time, Freen and Becky have been known for being careful in public, respectful of boundaries, and mindful of privacy. That's why many fans felt that this recent appearance showed a gradual return to more open warmth, not exaggerated, not forced, just natural. Fans expressed that it felt like seeing an old friend again. Not louder, not more dramatic, just them. This is why many fans don't see Freenbecky as just a ship. Instead, they see them as a simple dot of partnership, of emotional support, and of a bond that has clearly grown through time, challenges, and shared experiences. Whatever label exists or doesn't, fans continue to respect what Freen herself once described as simply a beautiful relationship. Recently, Becky shared words that gave fans even more insight into how meaningful this partnership is to her. She said, "We've seen each other every day for 4 years, which is a lot for one person." She continued by explaining that they are like two women with dreams, walking forward side by side, not competing, but supporting. "We're like partners pursuing our dreams together." Then came the moment that touched many hearts. Becky admitted that imagining her life without Freen feels difficult, not dramatic, but honest. "If I hadn't known Freen in this lifetime, it would feel very strange, like something is missing." She ended by saying their journey together has been long, complex, and sometimes tough, a situation she herself finds hard to fully describe, and perhaps that honesty is what made her words resonate so deeply. As emotions continue to run high, fans are also reminding each other of something important: respect. Respect for Freen, respect for Becky, respect for whatever form their relationship takes, publicly or privately. So tonight, many fans are raising a virtual toast to those who stayed, to FB stans and shippers, and to solo fans who support responsibly. Because at the heart of it all, support means allowing growth, privacy, and happiness without pressure. At the end of the day, freenbecky remains freenbecky, natural, authentic, lively, and deeply human. That's why they continue to capture hearts. Not because they try to prove anything, but because they stay true to themselves. Thank you for watching today's update. If you enjoyed this respectful and heartfelt coverage, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Thailand BL and GL news. Until next time, stay kind, stay respectful, and keep supporting the artists you love.